Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions for practice part 13. S.S.C. Chittagong Board-2020. None of us can solve the problems, none of us can solve the problems, can we? There is little water in the glass, there is little water in the glass, is there? One cannot deny this proposal. One cannot deny this proposal, can they? You need to see a doctor, you need to see a doctor, don't you? Nothing was said, was it? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir sir. Till today, Jahangir Alam teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.